Rice Lake Weighing Systems MSI clamp-on load cell ensures safety and boosts efficiency by measuring wire rope tension as part of an overhead weighing system. The clamp-on load cell easily integrates with pre-existing systems for convenience and versatility. As the name implies, installation is as simple as clamping the load cell near the dead end or termination point of the wire rope. After installation, the clamp-on load cell must be calibrated with certified weights to ensure accuracy. The clamp-on load cell can be paired with a variety of instrumentation options for transmitting the weight data for either process control or overload protection. Weight-based set points can be used to communicate alerts and relay output safety shutoffs based on unsafe load conditions. This product is ideal for operations currently using overhead bridge cranes, as well as crane manufacturers and original equipment distributors in the crane and overhead material handling industry looking to add another level of safety. Rice Lake's MSI overhead weighing equipment provides dynamic weighing solutions specifically designed for seamless integration. To learn more about Rice Lake's clamp-on load cell, visit ricelake.com/MSI.